Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the narrator on Windows 10 from text to speech. So I'm on my platform of my desktop. So all you have to do is go down to the bottom where you see the sign of Windows Start. Now you tap on it, and on tapping on it you're going to get all these different settings option. So all you have to do is go to the top here where it says settings. Now if this doesn't appear on your computer, what you need to do is go to your keyboard and tap on the Windows key, and it will appear for you as this. So Windows key on the keyboard, or you go to the start here and you tap on setting. On tapping on setting, you'll be taken over to this section. Now all you need to do is go to the ease of access section, which is here. Narrator, magnifier, high contrast. You're going to tap on it. On tapping on it, you'll be taken over to this platform here. You then need to go to the left and tap on narrator. So you have to scroll down until you find narrator. Narrator, where are you? Here we have narrator. So on coming to narrator, which is here, which is the last option here, you're going to be taken over to the second phase of this tutorial. So where it has narrator, it says here, narrator is a screen recorder that describes what's on your screen, so you can do this. Now here, if it's speaking for you while you're hovering over text, you'll have to turn this off. Now currently mine is off.
Narrator dialog.
So I have to turn it
okay.
off.
Button.
You go and it requests that you
up.
turn it off or turn it
Narrator
on. You're turn
exiting narrator.
Now what's important, you see all the shortcut keys below, you need to deactivate it. Previously mine was activated, all were activated, and that caused me a problem. So what you must do is to disable all the keys, short keys here, and turn this off. That will close all options off. You accidentally tapping on any button on the keyboard, which would then reactivate the shortcut of having a voice assistance, text to speech. So make sure that all these are off. Okay. Now, after you're done, you're going to close this and you need to restart the computer. On restarting the computer, that will put all the settings back to default, which we've just enabled. That will allow your computer to run smoothly without being any interruption of having the voice assistant on Windows from text to speech. So I hope you've gotten a lot from this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Any technical issues that you're facing on your desktop or your smartphone, please tell me in the comment section below, and I'll look into your problem and produce a video around it. Thank you for your undivided attention. Chat with you in the next one. Bye.